Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to enable censorship circumvention in the Signal application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 100,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone, click on the chats icon and tap on the initials at the top. Click on settings, which is the second option, then scroll down to privacy, scroll down again and click on the advanced section down below at the bottom of the page. Here you have the first feature, which is censorship circumvention, that you can enable by tapping on this button on the right side of the screen. Turning on means that you can evade any sanction that may have in your country or the country that you are visiting. As you can see, it is not necessary since you are already connected to the Signal service. So basically that's it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.